Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So you are here with the English idiom video series. Today I brought the fifth idiom. So friends, imagine in your day-to-day life you have to do something hard or face a tough situation. What is the idiom you can use in such a situation? Of course, it is the idiom bite the bullet. To further understand this, I brought some examples. First example, after the flood, the villagers have to bite the bullet and rebuild their homes and lives. So friends, we know having flood is truly a difficult thing. So people have to bite the bullet and rebuild their homes and lives. The second one, during exam season, the students have to bite the bullet and put in extra study hours to achieve their academic goals. I have the same experience in my exam period. Think you have the same experience. So friends, we have to bite the bullet and work more to achieve our academic goals. Third example, these days people have to bite the bullet and struggle to survive because of the economic crisis in the country. This is also an experience today we face in our country, Sri Lanka. The fourth example, with the project deadline approaching, the team had to bite the bullet and work overtime to get it done. In your workplace, in your office, or in your university, you are given projects to submit and you have to work on it before the deadline. So friends, you have to bite the bullet and work overtime to get it done. The next example, public speaking was never his strong suit, but he had to bite the bullet and deliver the presentation. The last example, as the elder sibling, she often had to bite the bullet and take on additional responsibilities at home. So if you are the eldest one in your family, you have to take care of your siblings. So you have to bite the bullet to have those responsibilities at your home. Okay, when looking at these examples, we can use this idiom or this expression bite the bullet in informal situations, as I always say, as you have to face challenges or difficult situations in your day-to-day life. So friends, that is all for today. Wait for the next idiom, kick the bucket. Thanks for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications. Share with your friends so they also can learn these idioms. So thanks again. Have a nice day.